Farmers have been asking this question: what else can I use instead of molasses in silage making process now that molasses is expensive? Well, there is one substitute that you can use instead of using molasses in silage making process. One that is cheaper, one that is efficient to use, and one that will produce super quality, even beyond that one produced by molasses. But before then, let's start with the basic process. Where do you start when you think of making silage? Good silage starts with selecting the best maize variety that can give you the highest yield in terms of tonnage of fodder per acre. These are the varieties that have big leaves. These are the varieties that have big stems. These are the varieties that are very, very tall. H6213 and H614 are the best maize varieties for silage making. They are super tall and they give you the best tonnage per acre. Also, you have to note that these are varieties that grow well during long rain seasons. For those who have short rains, you can go for H513, H520, and H516. You can also go for SC Duma 43 and SC Sungula. They are good and they will give you some foliage for silage making. Maize for silage making process is planted differently from that of normal cereals for sale. To achieve high tonnage of above 30 tons per acre, we have to reduce the spacing up to 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters and also increase the seed rate per acre from 10 kilograms per acre up to 12 to 15 tons per acre. Fertilizer top dressing, weed management, and also pest control is done normally as the case for growing maize for cereals purposes. Silage making process, we don't wait for the maize stalks to dry or the maize to be hard. No, we harvest it at the prime stage where the kernel or the seed is a bit soft and does not have the milkish substance. At this point, we can manage to achieve the highest crude protein. A chopping length of about 1 to 2 inch is then observed. This will ensure that the digestibility, the palatability, and also to be of great benefit to the animal. It is good to note that there are some farmers who tend to sell some of their maize cobs as green and conserve the rest. Though it will work with the product that we are using, the quality will not be the same as it would have with some of the maize, as crude protein will be very, very low. In this silage making process, we are using livestock microbes from molasses instead of molasses. Livestock microbes such as molasses contain organic acids, lactic bacteria, beneficial yeast, and phototropic bacteria. These microbes help in chelating minerals, secreting antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins, and enhance the digestive process of ruminants, thereby increasing milk production, animal growth, and minimizing feed wastage. So how do you use livestock microbes in silage making process? Step 1, take 3 liters of livestock microbes and dilute them with 18 liters of water. Mix very well to form a brownish solution with a sweet smell. The 21 liter solution can now be used in making silage of up to 1 ton. Yes, I said 1 ton. The best application method of the diluted solution is to sprinkle it sparingly on top of the chopped fodder before heaping it. This will ensure uniformity and even distribution. The final stage is ensuring that you have an airtight environment that will enhance fermentation and not rotting. You can choose to either use peat or use silage bags. For us, we use the silage bags, and you can see we had to dip our feet in to ensure total airtight environment. And at the end of the day, within a week or two, you get yourself a very, very nice silage which you can feed your animals. We would love to hear the challenges you have encountered in silage making at the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification button to support us.